Have you ever wondered which Amazon car gadgets can completely transform your driving experience in 2026? So let's get started. Number 1. Winter roads can turn dangerous in seconds, but these innovative snow socks offer a surprisingly simple solution. Designed as a lightweight alternative to traditional tire chains, the ISSE Classic Snow Socks provide exceptional traction on snow and ice without the noise and vibration associated with metal chains. Installation is quick and hassle-free, allowing drivers to get back on the road within minutes. Their durable textile construction grips slippery surfaces effectively while remaining gentle on tires and roadways. Number 2. If you've ever climbed into your truck bed searching for tools or equipment, this gadget is about to change everything. The Bedslide 500 Go transforms your truck bed into a fully accessible storage system with a heavy-duty sliding platform capable of supporting up to 500 pounds. Instead of crawling and reaching, simply slide your cargo directly toward you for instant access. Its rugged construction is built to withstand demanding work environments while keeping gear organized and secure. Number 3. A clogged sunroof drain may seem like a small issue until water starts leaking into your vehicle. This flexible 120-inch drain cleaning tool offers a fast and affordable way to prevent costly water damage. Its slim design easily navigates narrow drain channels, removing dirt, debris, and buildup that can cause blockages over time. Regular maintenance with this tool helps protect your interior, electronics, and upholstery from unexpected moisture problems. Number 4. Vehicle security has become more important than ever, and this wireless car alarm takes protection to the next level. Equipped with a powerful 120 decibel siren and intelligent motion detection technology, it instantly alerts you when suspicious activity is detected around your vehicle. The included remote control allows quick activation and deactivation, while the flashing red warning light acts as a strong visual deterrent. Number 5. Running out of cargo space can quickly ruin a road trip, but this heavy-duty roof rack basket solves that problem with ease. Offering a generous carrying capacity of up to 200 pounds, it provides valuable storage space for luggage, camping gear, sports equipment, and oversized cargo. The durable steel construction is designed to handle tough travel conditions while keeping your belongings secure. Its universal design fits a wide range of vehicles, making installation straightforward and convenient. Number 6. When adventure calls, extra storage can make all the difference. The SportRack Vista XL cargo box adds a massive amount of weather-resistant storage space to your vehicle while maintaining a sleek and aerodynamic profile. Its rear-opening design allows convenient access without interfering with most vehicle trunks. Perfect for family vacations, camping trips, and long-distance travel, it keeps luggage protected from rain, dust, and road debris. Number 7. Breakdowns are stressful enough without worrying about visibility and safety. These reflective warning triangles help alert approaching drivers when your vehicle is stopped on the roadside. Designed to meet DOT safety standards, they feature highly reflective surfaces and stable heavy-duty bases that remain visible in challenging conditions. Quick deployment allows drivers to establish a safety zone within moments of an emergency. Number 8. Imagine having important driving information displayed directly in your line of sight without looking away from the road. This advanced head-up display projects speed, RPM, fuel consumption, water temperature, and other critical data in an easy-to-read format. Real-time monitoring helps drivers stay informed while maintaining focus on traffic conditions. Built-in alerts provide warnings for overspeed situations and other important vehicle information. Number 9. Getting in and out of a truck bed can be awkward and even dangerous, especially when carrying heavy equipment. The WOLFBOX retractable bed step provides a sturdy and convenient solution with a rugged design capable of supporting up to 330 pounds. The non-slip surface delivers excellent footing in all weather conditions, while the retractable mechanism keeps the step tucked away when not in use. Installation requires no complicated modifications, making it a practical upgrade for truck owners. Number 10. Capturing every angle of the road has never been easier. The Vantrue N4S records front, rear, and interior footage simultaneously, providing comprehensive protection and documentation while driving. Advanced Starvis 2 night vision technology delivers impressive clarity even in low-light conditions. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and parking mode enhance functionality while making footage management simple. Support for high-capacity memory cards ensures plenty of storage for long trips. Number 11. Nothing beats the satisfaction of a perfectly clean vehicle, and this ultra-concentrated foam soap makes the process more enjoyable than ever. Designed for foam cannons, foam guns, and traditional bucket washes, it creates thick, rich foam that lifts dirt safely from painted surfaces. The pH-neutral formula is safe for waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings, helping preserve your vehicle's finish. Its highly concentrated design means a little product goes a long way. Number 12. Long road trips become much easier when passengers stay entertained. The Lamicall tablet mount securely attaches to headrests and holds tablets, phones, and other devices for convenient back seat viewing. Adjustable positioning ensures comfortable viewing angles for passengers of all ages. Its sturdy construction keeps devices stable even on rough roads, while broad compatibility supports a wide range of electronics. Number 13. RV owners know that reliable equipment can make or break a camping trip. The Camco RhinoFLEX sewer hose kit provides a durable and dependable waste management solution designed for easy setup and storage. Its flexible construction allows convenient connection to various sewer hookups while maintaining excellent durability. The included adapters and accessories improve compatibility across different campsite configurations. Number 14. We're ending with a gadget that instantly upgrades both style and functionality. This flexible LED light strip transforms dark cargo areas into bright, easy-to-access storage spaces. The ice blue illumination provides excellent visibility when loading groceries, tools, luggage, or camping equipment at night. Waterproof construction ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions, while the cuttable design allows custom installation lengths. The modern ambient glow also adds a premium appearance to your vehicle. Installation is simple, and the improvement is immediate. Thanks for watching. Which of these amazing car gadgets would you add to your vehicle first? Let us know in the comments below and share your favorite pick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Amazon gadgets, automotive upgrades, and must-have innovations. See you in the next one.